inkasuka bregede inkazokotuskede rakasuka regede kaka rekakozegede bregede inkatuska la barakatuske inkasuka beregede inkatuska la kosigede bregede ikabregede inkasuka bregede likosakada rekaregede kakaregede kakaregede rekakozegede kakaregede kakoshegede rekakozegede kakosegede rekaregede kakosegede kakaregede rekaregede kakosegede kaka rekakozegede kakaregede kaka randos kalapako prokotos ikaberegede ikalokoskata ikasuma askuna ikapurunus kalira duskeni ikapenes ranalo uskana ikarakatuskede shalika pronoskana akaskede rakatuskele kakozegede rekaregede inkotuskele kaka rakatuskele ikaregede mendragatuskalama askope eranoskara rakatuskele ikaboronoskiriri rakuradaskola askame eragaduskere rakatuskele inkatuskama asuna zalikoma askaperenoskarana inkatuskele irodoscarandoskapa antuskalada inkasuka beregede inkotuskalaradoskede erikatuskede ikaregede rankatuskala kakaregede rakaregede inkakosegede erikakasegede inkatuskede rakatuskede ikaregede rakasuka regede erikaregede ikaregede erikaregede ikaregede erikaregede ikaregede rakaskote ikaregede erikaregede ikaregede erikashegede ikaregede erinkasonko merendi kantuskaragada Eka peregede, shaka perekatuskelegede, eka regede, eka sukaragada, eka regede, eka kazegede, reka kazegede, eka regede, reka kozaka kazegede, reka regede, eka regede, shaka perekade, eka kozegede, eka regede, eka sukaregede, reka regede, eka regede, mendrogodo sengede, brandos kalakuskeni, mayankoma oskomarano Skabarara, Ralia Koskirini Shkara Oskama Aram, Miranos Kalarosine Inron Samakatusi, Jalinka Pene Kanoska, Shakapaka Pronoske Regede, Mirinka Prunuska Ranashkala, Rakatuskele Inka Baragaduski, Rakakosigede Lekosinegede, Marakatuskala Bragadus, Rakatuskele Inkaregede Irokodusegede, Rikaregede Ikasegede, Rikaregede Ikaregede, Inkatuskala Maragaduska Masulafrana, Inkaprenisula Rashkala, Ranalas come Inakaskane Inkatusi, Shalika Perenkos Kataya, Shalika Koronos Karanas Kate Eragaduske, Yankasunka Mereina Kuskala, Shalaska Peera Kata, Regede Inkasukoranas Kada, Shala Oskomerinish Kalo Samaral, Rakasuka Beregede Inkatuska, Ragaduska Lama Aska Maasa, Sagarando la Katuskini Intaranasuna, Shali Katuska Maasa, Salaska Nerandushkala Askume Ena, Regede Bringi the Shonko Brandas Kalaba Oska, Regede Gede Bloko Duske de Brigade, Rekadusige de Brigade, Ekaragadesige, Rekakosige de Brigade, Akaregede, Rekakosige de Brigade, Ekaregede, 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 Rekaregede, Ekaregede, Ekatuska de Brigade, Rakakosige de Brigade, Lamwaskata, Ekatuskede, Yanka Paranoska Maasa, Zatafarakata, Inglia Kuskanamragada. I break every limitation. I break every limitation. Every limitation in your path of destiny. I break it in the name of Jesus. Arise, O Lord. Let the enemy be scattered. Every forces fighting your finances, fighting Christ's church. I declare, let it be scattered. Every manipulation from the pit of hell over your life, over the sons and daughters of Christ's church. I scatter it in the name of Jesus. I prophesy speed over your life. I prophesy consistency over your life. I prophesy glory over your life. life. I prophesy increase over your life. You are taking over. You are taking over. You are taking over the nation. We are taking over the nation. Chrysolas is taking over. Is marching up. The gate of hell shall not prevail. Lift up your head, O you gate. Be lifted up, you ancient doors, that the King of glory shall come in. Who is this King of glory? The Lord mighty in battles. He is a King of glory. I prophesy over your life. Every battles over the life, I scatter in the name of Jesus. Every battle over your finances, I scatter in the name of Jesus. Every battle around your life, I scatter. Every battles in your career, in your business, in your future, I scatter. I stand as a mighty force and I prophesy over your future. You will march on. You are taking over. You are taking over. You are taking over. You are taking over. Go and take over. Go and take over. Go and take over that business. Go and take over that contract. Go and take over that appointment. Go and take over that increase. You are taking over. Shalika paranos. Rekazegede. Rekakashegede. According to the book of Psalm. Lift up your hands according to the book of Psalm. Rekashegede as on me. And I'll give you nation as your inheritance. We prophesy. Christmas is taking over. Taking over Europe. Taking over America. Taking over Asia. Russia. Africa, taking over the continent of the ashes, as we shall ask for the Lord of harvest, and He will give us laborers in your view. We ask, oh Lord, let the bones that are connected, let the bones that are connected from the east, west, and south get connected to Chrysolas, both from a distant land, distant shore. We declare, begin to connect, begin to connect. We declare connection, we prophesy connection. He said prophesy, and as I begin to prophesy, bones begin to come, bones to bones. I prophesy over your life. I prophesy over your life. Your helpers of destiny. We look at you this season. Prophesy over the sons and daughters of Chrysolas. Wherever you are, we declare connection. We declare connection. We declare connection. Renka Pulasa, Santa Perede, Oporoko Toranasha, Inkatazagada. Wherever you are on the face of the earth, we call you by name. We call you by name. We summon you by name. Let that help us of destiny. Wherever you are, we prophesy. Begin to come. I prophesy. Begin to come. Begin to come. Begin to come. Wherever you are. Shalika Parodos. Ranoko Malakata. Inkatuska Legade. Rakwaska Tiranos Kamara. I scatter every fight over your family. I scatter every fight over your finances. I scatter every fight over your career. Every gang up from the kingdom of darkness, from the marine spirit, every marine spirit, manipulation from marine spirit, I come against it in the name of Jesus. I declare every fight, every conspiracy from the marine kingdom against your life, I scatter, I scatter. I stand as a prophetic voice to this generation and judge wickedness, and judge every wickedness of the enemy. I judge you in the name of Jesus. Every conspiracy of the enemy, I judge you in the name of Jesus. Every wickedness, I judge you. I scatter. Rakapalada. Go in the victory of God. Go in the might of God. Go in the might of God over your life. You will begin to enjoy the fullness of the Spirit. You will begin to enjoy the glory of serving the Lord. You will begin to enjoy the liberty of God. Rakapalagada. Stand up on your feet and begin to aparinili. Shalika purudus. Manka perene shalala. Mendala kuskamada. Shalaka pene. Renka tuskiligidi. Shakomaranos kama. Shamosana. Shanamas komeera. Shanama koskere. Renko tusingere. Shengere brokoro sigere. Shigere brokoro shigere. Maskomaros kama.